In this video, we'll show you how to migrate field-level security using Optovia's Content Migrator. As you know, there is no out-of-the-box solution to extract or migrate field-level security from one system to another, and that means users must manually recreate or make updates when migrating from one system to another. Plus, errors can occur when you manually update field-level security. Optovia has added field-level security to its content migration utility. First of all, it's free, and it utilizes the REST APIs to enable a user to seamlessly bring field-level security from one environment to another. This allows users to create and download a field-level security package which enables a manual upload to other systems. So the benefits of using the Content Migrator for field-level security, it reduces the manual effort when bringing new or updated field-level security from one system to another. You can migrate field-level security by downloading and uploading to a new environment, and best of all, it's free. When migrating field-level security, you have three options. You can migrate field-level security only, and that will transfer all the edit and view access rights for all the attributes which are marked as secure for the selected object. You can also just do labels only, and that transfers all the labels for all the attributes for the selected object, including language translation. And finally, field-level security and label, and that transfers the edit and view access rights with labels for all the attributes without checking if that field is secure or not. So let's show you how it works. Navigate over to Custom Objects and select Content Migrator. And this works the same way for all of our functionality in the Content Migrator. Select Add a Row. In this case, I'm going to export some FLS. Then select it. And from here we can update the name, we can add a description for our export. Content type, what do we want to do with our Content Migrator? As you know, you can already do blueprints and views, and now we have our field level security. So I'm going to do field level security plus labels, and then select the object you want to select the field level security you want to export. And I'll just scroll down. I'm going to pick the project object. And then I'm ready. I just go up to Actions and click on Export. It'll tell us that started successfully, and it may take a few moments to export, but all you have to do is press F5 to update the screen, and if it doesn't update initially or hasn't completed, just press it again in a few moments. When the export is completed, under Messages, you'll see FLS package created successfully, and our JSON file will also be created under Content File. From here, this would be the file you'd want to save locally if you wanted to do a backup of your field level security, if you're doing modifications, or you'd use this file to pass to another system and do an import. If I want to import a system, I can just go up to Actions and select Import, and it will import it into the system as well. So as an example of doing an import, we'll just go back over to Custom Objects, Content Migrator. We'll just add a new row. Import field level security. I'll select my import field level security. My content type, it'll be field level security plus labels. And then I can select my content file. I'll select the file I'm going to import. In this case, this is one I've previously saved. And then I move up to Actions and I select Import. It'll tell me that's started successfully. And just like doing an export, it may take a few moments to do the import. Press F5 to update the screen. And when it's completed, under the Messages, you'll see updating the access rights to secure files. And once completed, you'll see done. If you want to export the labels only or field level security only, you'd select those and just follow through the same process. The Content Migrator solution is the first of its kind and is a result of listening to our clients and our close friends at Broadcom. You asked and we delivered. Our Content Migrator can now migrate blueprints, views, and field level security. Looking for more Clarity content functionality? Please reach out to us. We are pleased to offer this new utility as part of Optovia Open Source. And you can follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and become part of Optovia Open Source. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos from Optovia as they become available.